Good day, Miss Jennifer. This is Apalia LMAT, BSBA 1B. Family Budget Part 2. Actual expenses on December 16. Category: rent on boarding house, tuition, groceries for karinderya, groceries for the house, electricity, and baon or daily allowances. On rent and boarding house, the budgeted amount is 19 and the actual expenses is 19. Tuition, the budgeted amount is 3,000 and the actual expenses is 3,000. Groceries for karinderya, the budgeted amount is 5,000 and the actual expenses is 5,500 pesos. A variance of 500 pesos because ingredient prices increased slightly due to holidays demand. Groceries for the house, the budgeted amount is 2,500 and the actual expenses is 2,400, a variance of negative 100 pesos because found discounts on some items while shopping. Electricity, the budgeted amount is 600 and the actual expenses is 650, a variance of 50 pesos. Increased usage of appliances and lights during the season. Baon or daily allowances, the budgeted amount is 2,000 and the actual expenses is 1,800, a variance of negative 200 because skip some days of spending or ate at home. A total of 15,000, but the actual expenses is 15,250, a variance of 250,000. Explanation for the variances. For the groceries for the karinderya, the cost of raw materials rose because of increased demand during the holidays, requiring an extra 500 pesos. While the groceries for the house, discounts and careful shopping helped save 100 pesos. While the electricity, more lights and decorations slightly raised the bill by 50 pesos. May baon or daily allowances reduced expenses by 200 pesos or to fewer outings and meal outside. Conclusion: the importance of budgeting. Budgeting is critical for effective financial management, especially during periods with high expenses like holiday season. By setting a budget anticipated needs, it ensures all essential areas such as rent, tuition, and food are accounted for. Of flexibility, while variances occur, a budget allows for adjustments without jeopardizing other financial priorities. Tracking and awareness, comparing actual expenses to the budget highlights spending habits and areas for improvement, like overspending on certain categories. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of expenses, potentially leading to unnecessary debt or financial stress. A budget ensures control, promotes savings, and helps maintain stability while meeting all obligations. Thank you.